In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy Elementor pages to another site in WordPress quickly and easily. This is one of the most useful skills you can have if you're working on client projects, managing multiple websites, or even building your own network of sites. Instead of recreating the same design over and over again, you can duplicate a full page with all its styling, sections, and widgets in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through each step in a clear and simple way, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Elementor pages from one website and import them into another, saving you time and effort on every project. So let's get started. Go to All Pages and open the page you want to copy using the Elementor editor. Once the page is open, click on the small arrow icon next to the Update button and select Save as Template. Give your template a clear name and click Save. This saves your page layout as a reusable template that can be exported and imported on another site. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Templates, and click on Saved Templates. Here, you'll see the template you just created. To move it to another site, click Export Template and your page will be downloaded as a file. To import this template on a different WordPress site, go to Templates, click Import Templates, and select the file you just exported. As soon as the file uploads, the template will appear in your Saved Templates list. Open it, and you'll see that it's exactly the same page you saved earlier. To make this process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Always give your templates clear, descriptive names so you can identify them easily, and make sure Elementor is installed on both sites to avoid compatibility issues. This ensures a seamless transfer of pages without losing any design elements, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to copy Elementor pages from one WordPress site to another effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it did, give this video a like, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss our future tutorials.